Yo, what's up, world? I just arrived to Kuta today. I'm just at the front of the Beach Walk Mall, the third busiest part of Bali so far now in November 2022, just except the Canggu, just after the Canggu and Ubud obviously. And today's video will be very regular video, like an update from this part of Bali. I know many of you guys are interested. And it's also kind of busy over here, so why not show you something optimistic today? Of course, optimistic sides as busy in Kuta. Eventually, right now, it is exactly 6 o'clock, 6 p.m. Sunset's supposed to be like now, but it's cloudy, unfortunately. That was at the front of the beach walk. Now I'm heading now to the main Kuta beach gate, and you know, some characteristic spots like a Poppies Lane 1, 2, Kuta Bags and so on, and the overall current situation in Kuta street at the front of the Kuta beach is not so bad like for the middle of the week. The one of the side entrances to the mall, and of course if you drive the Harley Davidson in Bali, you can even park at the footpath at the front of the mall, because if you drive big bike you have a big... Anyways, yeah, that's overall situation here at the front. Not so bad at all. People, girls walking at the front of me, between on the left, on the right, so happy days. You know, that's good, right? And overall situation. Also, I can see increasing of the local tourists from Indonesia. That's also good sign. That's the entrance to the Poppies too, and some local boys trying to offer you taxi, and some people here. Here we go. Not so bad. Yo, what's up? How you doing? People here and the tourists here. You know, the Kuta is officially the third busiest destination in Bali right now. It's not as that busy as Canggu and Ubud, but it's just behind. Not so bad, really not so bad, especially if you watch my old videos in 2020, 2021 and 2022 at the beginning of the year. Was deadly quiet, but now it's not so bad at all. And let's see, this guy is actually driving wrong way. This is one-way road system, don't be like that. Then we have a flapjacks and some more people. Not so bad at all. Situation on the road is also pretty enjoyable because it's busy but not crowded. I mean, you're not stuck in the traffic, you're just moving slowly, which is not so bad. And for everyone who just first time watching videos from Bali, for some reason here's supposed to be a McDonald's, but at the beginning of 2020, at the beginning of pandemic, went into bankruptcy and it's gone forever. There are mini shops, and when there was the ice cream shop, you can buy satay. I'm gonna jump quickly to the beach because the beautiful sunset is just right here, right now. Check this out. Oh, so beautiful. Many people coming just to having a quick shot because it's just started. Here we go, right now. And if I'm already here, of course, the situation, many people enjoying their time, drinking their beverages, drinking beer, and watching the beautiful sunset, of course, what is just over here. So just outside the beach you have a welcome to Poppies 1. This is Poppies 1 street entrance. So many taxi drivers waiting for you. Kuta Bags. There's some hotel and the bar actually, with the rooms overlooking the ocean. Actually pretty nice options, I guess. I never been in this hotel, but looks nice actually. And then you have a local transportation option with the horses, and yeah, it's actually, you know, not that really bad regarding the situation today in Kuta. There is still no promenade here, but it's gonna be the continuation from Seminyak, and I'm gonna try to cross the street. Actually not that bad. Heritage Hotel here, massage ladies, Starbucks, all of the Mercure Hotel at the front. Every business is actually back currently, which is not that bad because all of these businesses were closed not so long ago. And well, overall situation just at the front of the Mercure. Let's see if it's busy or not. Still busy. Yo, what's up? That's good, thanks. My fans just recognize me right now. Continuation Mercure Hotel seems pretty busy to me. Some cars and everything. Pizza Hut, and at the front will be a Hard Rock, and well, that's the situation on the road. It's nice because it's not overcrowded. And then for everyone who is interested, Hard Rock Hotel, very nice option. open. Currently they refurbish something, taxi driver honking, so everything is pretty alright. Gonna go quickly to the main Grand Inn and the main gate, Bali Kuta, which is just at the front. And also over here is Hard Rock Cafe. Interesting fact, Hard Rock Hotel, Hard Rock Cafe and Hard Rock Shop, one company but three different venues, three different separate entrances connected together. So some people who love this brand, some people who are not really. And the Kuta beach is over there. And this is the corner of the Kuta beach, the main gate and the overall situation. Yeah, there's actually an excavator at the front because there's the construction site right now. At last shot of the sunset looks like this one. And for anyone else who are interested about the Grand Inn Hotel, it's over here, it's open, it's pretty busy. Everything is open, just the ice cream shop is still closed and these people leaving the van from nowhere. Back to the beach ball situation, and some of you may be interested how does it look inside, so I'm just gonna go now inside. And yes, you still unfortunately have to scan the app and have a proof of vaccination and all of this stuff. The security is checking over there. Anyways, this is the old wing of the mall, what is open since 2012. They built this mall in 2012, just interesting fact. And they are Johnny Rockets and stuff like this one. I'm gonna show you a little bit around. Also H&M, you know, just the regular mall but with the nice decors, and this is one of the most popular malls in Bali so far. So next to Johnny Rockets, this is all the old wing, and this is the beginning of the new wing. And also they have a nice decorations for Halloween. I'm so surprised actually about that. Looks pretty alright. And the new wing is over here. So there are some new brands, and the mall situation looks like this one. But I'm gonna show you because now there are two new hotels actually who belongs in the same property what is mall, so they are connected to the mall. Very interesting stuff. And also have a old Mark and Spencer. So inside you have a pretty nice park, and at the front is the Loft by Marriott, which is a budget hotel of Marriott Group. And on the other side of this one you have a Yellow, which is a nice city hotel, low budget one, not so bad. And overall everywhere you have restaurants over here, actually pretty cool. There's supposed to be some performance, but it's not today. At the end I'm gonna tell you, it's not rainy for the few days, which is happy days, but at the same time it's so hot. It's unbelievable. I just walk in the Kuta, like, you know, from beach walk to Kuta gate and come back, and I'm sweating like I was just after the walking on the rain. It's so hot, bit humid, but overall it's very enjoyable. So for everyone who were afraid about the rain, it's currently not raining. That's also because so many lasers in Bali because of G20, so they're trying to make a weather nice. If you know, you know what is the laser. If you not, leave the comment, I will try to answer. Meanwhile, that's it from me from today, from Kuta. I hope so you enjoy. Thank you so much. I will see you tomorrow on next one. See ya. Take care.